Welcome back. Hope you have a beautiful day and making it fantastic one for you. In this video, I will share you the website from you can download a lot of free backgrounds and every kind you, my friend, wish. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, simply go to browser, search here free HD background. Here you can see first website Pexels.com. It is popular website, but my friend, you have not clicked on there. On a little bottom, you can see a lot of categories. What you have to do is simply click on any category you wish. Right clicks. Again, my friend, simply right click any category that you wish and open link in the new tab. Similarly, open all the links or the categories that you wish. Open link and the new tab. After that, what you have to do, you can scroll down and you can also see the more website. Pixabay.com is also a popular website, but in this case, I will just talk about Pexels.com. So now similarly go on the link or the tab that we have opened. Here you can see first is the blurred background photos free. Here you can see a lot of millions, zillion, thousand of free HD background and download. Here is the button of download. You can also sign in. As you can see, I have already signed in. So for example, I want to download this background. I like it. Simply click on this download button and simply click on anywhere. You can select this screen and you can see show all. It's been starting download. It is of 2.4 MB. And finally, you can see this. You can zoom in and you can see the quality, my friend. It's too much high quality. And so basically the blurred. And similarly, you can go the other links that you have open. You can see a lot of thousand and millions in backgrounds here. So you can download any background that you want and that you wish. So, and similarly this one. There are also free and paid backgrounds you can download. And here there are a lot of categories. You can go for any category that you want. And similarly, you can search out for any of backgrounds. For example, I want to car background. Similarly, right here, car BG and search will show up car background, and you can see there car background. So that's pretty much so, my friend. And you can go for any of category. For example, I want to go for the DSLR background. So we can go there and check out this. You can check the link in the description, my friend. So why are you waiting, my friend? Simply go to the description, check the link, and simply go and download a lot of free thousand of background. That's all. That's pretty much for today. Hope this helps you. And if it did, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Not just to subscribe, ring the bell that you, my friend, don't miss out any other feature, tips, tricks, or tutorials. So meet in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.